Alright, so I'm going to show you today Bluesonik Pot set. Can you see here? It's come with different size. 6 piece, 8 piece, 10 piece, 14 piece, 30 piece and 50 piece. You can see here 50 piece. This is my favorite one because this comes with a lot of items. You can see spoon, pots, some gloves, a small jar, right, knife. I don't know, let me just take it out and show you. Alright, so I just take it out everything from this, right? You can see here. So this comes with this apron. You guys can wear and cook, plus some nice squid jar, big pot with cover, so you can see 1 2 3 4 5 pot with covers. This is nice pot. Vegetable cutter board, good quality. You can see some small knife, and big knife. You have some scissors so you can cut meat. 2 gloves if you guys use oven. A spoon and fork, and some of them. This plus you can see quality. Let me just show you anything one. First of thing, this is too thick, right? And you can see thickness here. Bluesonik, and all of them pot have nice thickness. Even this one, this heavy. So this is all come with 50 piece, and this is very best thing if people moving and just move from new house. They can buy, they have everything like whatever can use in kitchen, but a small one, so start just life,